Hi, can you all hear me? I didn't check whether my AirPods are working or not. Hey, I am watching your comments, to be honest, on my YouTube page because there is a deluge of comments and so much excitement and love. This is really awesome. If you're not there, you can, because I'm going to be reading all the comments from there and talk to you here. It's easier for me. So, God, some of you have really missed your class. I'm so sorry. I know I'm doing it on a Wednesday morning. Achal, tell me, you can hear me here, right? Yeah. Okay. So, perfect. This is exciting. Okay, you know why we are here, right? We are here because in about a few minutes, at exactly at 12 p.m., we are going to be live. That Angna Mori song is going to be live. But I'm watching your comments here, and this is very, very interesting. I've never done this before. This time we were really thinking कि क्या exciting करे, क्या अलग करे. So I'm going to read out a few names from the YouTube chat which is going on the premiere of Angna More, and there are so many I've missed out, like it's just going like that. Okay, Sohini Mitra, because excitement control nahi ho raha hai. Okay, bye. You're using my line. I like it. Okay, Advaya, cannot wait. Divyansh Singh, I'm all yours. So am I. Didi Bhai says, Saumili Biswas, so many. Ritika Iyer, oh my, OMG, so many G's. I can feel your excitement. I am also equally excited. Yeah, Prakash on Instagram, you are saying your name is Pranjal though, but तुम्हारा ID is Prakash Vinzuda. Okay. Okay. Wow, it's really that's the reason I should get used to this, because every time I do live there's so many comments that keep coming and I don't know how to take all the names, but this is fun. Nandita is just taking my name in different ways, different spellings. Shreya, Shreyas. I don't know how many variations. Okay, listen. So we are very excited. Insta Shava is laughing her heart out. I can see all the emoticons. Shovan Mondal, Angna More is going to be epic. So people who are on my YouTube premiere link and chatting there, it's much easier for me to scroll there all your comments and see what you're writing. And this is really fun. I'd shared my link last evening, where to come. It's on my official page, so come there. Okay. Harshita says, Harshit Sheth says, Shreya, can't wait to hear that. And I can't wait for you all to hear it. You heard the teaser, and I think you got a little hint of what it is going to be like. Ashish Nair, love you so much, Shreya ji. Ashish Nair, I love you too. Anagha Madakasira, love you too. Okay, ask me questions. You want to ask me anything about this song? Even if you don't ask, I'm going to talk about it. You know that, right? So this song got created somewhere last year end, when I was so bored. I was so feeling like I don't know whether I'm doing anything productive. Am I doing enough in music? Am I doing something substantial? That's where the whole idea came by, and I was like sitting and doing some music at home, listening to a lot of classical stuff as well. I was learning. I'm back in my Riyaz routine a little bit self-learning mode is on. So I was like thinking कि मुझे कुछ बंदिश style से कुछ करना चाहिए, inspired by a bandish, but I want to make it very, electronic pop, very modern, very different from what I've done. So I don't know whether to call it fusion. Fusion is so supporting the whole song, which is a traditional format song, जिसमें मेरी गायकी वगैरह सब उसका पूरा scope रहेगा, but make it very, peppy, energetic, very soulful, very ambient. That's where Somideep, my brother, you all know that he came in to help me out on that one. So that's how Angna More was born. This idea was born. I'm going to take a few more names, then I'll keep talking about this song. Of course, Jay Parmar, hi man, you have such a beautiful voice. Please keep yourself always like that. Your all songs are going to be super, super, super hit. We always pray, and please song lot of songs to entertain us. That's my promise to you, that I'll keep doing songs that you like. Hey Shekhar Ravjiani, can you show us how you did that mustache thing? That is our thing. I mean, I want to see that with you. Although वो picture मैंने post नहीं की, after that I'm going to post that what we did, Shekhar and I did a midday interview, and where he made me do such silly things, and I'm going to do it later. You really catch me in the moment. Yeah, I'm doing a live session now. So okay, hey, so many names. Let me quickly take a few more. Somdatta saying, heal the goddess Shreya Ghoshal. I feel I'm feeling multitasking like you right now. एक बार lappy में, एक बार phone में. Sweetie Bera is writing, है ना? Every time a song releases, I become that's why I wear jackets and blazers like that. I feel like a businesswoman doing multiple things like that. Yeah, I feel very powerful this moment, and I think I'm doing fine, isn't it? Okay. और कहाँ गए सब? बाप रे एक बार इधर देखती हूँ तो सारे निकल जाते हैं comments. What?
Type in the chat also.
Type in the chat also, right? How do I type and talk? ठीक है, I'm going to be typing a little bit. Shreya Didi, how was your experience while doing the shoot Angna More with Ribhu Dada? I like that you know his name. Ribhu is dark naam, as all Bengalis have dark naam. Well, the whole experience was so much fun working with a younger sibling. And actually, I never thought that this kind of a day will come in my life when my mera chota bhai will be joining me in a few musical experiences and really talking about details and how this should be conceptualized. And he's really guiding me in a lot of things. I really did not know that he has so much depth and musicality. He was always musically inclined, but this was a real revelation. We did Na Wo Main. Remember in March end that song released, and now this one is releasing. Okay, so how was the experience as a lyricist, Advaya? You were asking again. Anudhayan Datta also said, how you wrote the lyrics for the song? I think it came very naturally, because the kind of song, this was a very it has a very old school Hindi vibe going on in this song. So it's not a very new today's colloquial language of speaking. And I've heard a lot of music like that, the traditional form of writing. And somehow I thought this would work very well. And my idea was that the song is all about a woman who is in love, and now you know that Valentine's Day is coming soon. So yeah, this is all for those who were separated in this whole lockdown and could meet each other. There's so much of longing and pining for each other to be together. So that was the idea, like a woman who is fallen in love with her beloved. It's a very new love for her, and she's away from him, or the boy is away from her. So I think the whole idea or the feel is that I did try. I know once you listen to the song, you can give me marks for writing because this is never done before. ये पहली बार मैंने try किया है. Okay, someone is asking a nice question. Purnima asking, which raga is it based on, Queen? This rag is predominantly started with my very favorite rag, Himpalasi. You know, I was listening to a lot of that raga during the monsoons and I was doing my riyaz in that also. तो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे राग से भी बहुत ज़्यादा लगाव है. I love songs which are based on this raga. So the start is that, and then it, of course, there are a lot of different थोड़ा राग जोग भी आ जाता है, कहीं कहीं changes हो जाते हैं अंतरे में. So yeah, a lot of okay, on this YouTube thing, you are writing so fast, guys. So I'm gonna pick a few more. SG family rocks. Nithini, yes. Sukanya Mali, can you please take my name? Sukanya, hi Sukanya, hello Sukanya. Okay, Tanu writes, Agna More, an intense yet intricate electronic pop meets Indian classical rag based bandish. Wow, you got it right, like perfect. Okay, on Instagram, some Ritam Biswas is writing, congratulations on the YouTube milestone as well. Please sing a few lines of the new one. Hey, I'm gonna sing, Ritam. 12 बजे गाना रिलीज हो जाएगा तो साथ में गाएंगे. What say? Oh, Shruti Pathak, sing Oh Sathi Re. How sweet. I love you, Shruti. You are very, very favorite of mine. Oh साथी रे दिन डूबे ना, आंचल दिन को रोके, धूप के पीछे दौड़े, छाँव छुए ना, ओ साथी रे. Thank you. I hope you like it. You know, I got a very interesting message. You know, of late, I've had some wonderful opportunities to collaborate with some musicians I deeply respect and love. Like recently we had a song called Muraliya from the album Bhumi from Salim Sulaiman. And Muraliya really got so much love that completely asserts my belief in the victory of good music. You know, I really felt so good every time I get a message from you, from anyone I meet, especially, you know, my neighbors in the building, some really, you know, fond of music kind of listeners, and they listen to everything, but they keep talking about Muraliya, and I really like that. So शेख अजीम ने जो गाना आपने लिखा है, बाजे रे मुरलिया बाजे, प्लीज, तो मैं गाती हूँ. वो गाना मुझे बहुत पसंद है. बाजे रे बाजे मुरलिया बाजे, गोपाला तोरी बाजे रे बाजे मुरलिया बाजे, कन्हैया गोपाला बाजे रे बाजे मुरलिया बाजे. Okay, on this YouTube thing, Srishti Chilla ने लिखा है, श्रेया दीदी, what was your favorite part of the whole experience? How did you feel after you finished the song, and what type of response are you expecting? I don't know. Expectation, I don't usually keep with anything that I do. I sing. I like to do some music, which I hope that reaches out to people who listen to music and, you know, have a similar temperament like me, and which I think honestly it always is. I kind of trust my audiences fully on this one. So, you know, the song is definitely, as an experience, was very enriching, and I will want to continue this kind of a genre, a mixed genre, क्योंकि ये इस तरह के गाने तो मैं फिल्म में एक्सपेक्ट करना नहीं, मतलब हो नहीं सकता है. यू नो, कब ऐसी फिल्म आएगी जिसमें फ्यूजन होगा? वो नहीं होगा. बट आई डोंट वांट, इन द नेम ऑफ फ्यूजन, आई डोंट वांट टू create confusion. It should be very soulful. It should not ruin the essence of the song and the raga or the chalan of the rags. थोड़ा तो उसकी sanctity maintain करनी है और करते हुए कुछ नया करना है for the audiences globally, for everyone to enjoy. चाहे if you're a, if you love to listen to ambient trance or hip hop or classical or ghazals, jazz, whatever is your style, you can appreciate something like that. Okay, so many questions still coming in. Did you cry while singing it? Because we did while listening to it last night. Titus, so sweet. Thank you. I'm hoping that you all listen to it and give me your honest feedback on this one. Because this song has come from absolute freedom to do music and just enjoy. I enjoyed singing this one. Especially the end of the song, when the song kind of finishes and we go into this very trancey kind of a jam with me doing the alaps and my variations and the musicians and the Budapest Orchestra doing this live orchestration heavily behind it, and always I always acknowledge the fantastic contribution of the musicians. Of course, Soumyadeep did the whole orchestration of this whole thing, created the sound, he defined how it's going to sound, he did the guitars, he did everything, programming. But then there is Samarth who did the additional programming on this. He adds so much value to it. He did the strings orchestration. Then there is Rajiv Prasanna, who is in my band, who played the flute so beautifully. I tell you, I am a big fan of his. He's a young musician, but really he deserves a lot of love from you all. Nitin Mitta from New York, he played the tabla. So all this was done virtually. Everyone was in their respective cities and at their homes, and we still collaborate. We did not meet in the studio really. मैंने भी अपना घर से गाना गाया. सौम्यदीप ने कैलिफोर्निया से इसको करके भेजा. Rajiv was in Delhi or Mumbai, one of the places. He was doing it from there. फिर नितिन जी ने शायद न्यूयॉर्क से भेजा. बुडापेस्ट ऑर्केस्ट्रा पूरा हंगरी में बैठ के उन्होंने गाना बजाया. So it was a fabulous experience, and yeah, I think okay, I'm going to read out a few more questions. What is the approach from अरे कहाँ गया, आगे चला गया ये. श्रेया घोषाल एडिक्स करके कुछ है पेज, धड़कने आज़ाद हैं. That's where it all started. धड़कने आज़ाद हैं was my first आज़ादी का गाना, like in the first independent song, and so much love came from that song and the following songs that I really felt encouraged to do more independent work. तो वो गाना मैं गाती हूँ एक लाइन. धड़कने आज़ाद है, पहरे लगा कर देख लो. धड़कने आज़ाद है, पहरे लगा कर देख लो. प्यार छुपता ही नहीं, तुम छुपा कर देख लो. धड़कने आज़ाद है, पहरे लगा कर देख लो. इसके जो शब्द है कितने मीनिंगफुल है ना, कि धड़कने जब आज़ाद हो जाती है एज एन आर्टिस्ट, तो मतलब इससे बढ़िया और इससे ज़्यादा खुशी, सेटिस्फैक्ट्री फीलिंग है ही नहीं. जब आपको कोई बंधन नहीं है कि कौन सी पिक्चर में गाना है, किसके ऊपर ये लिपसिंक होगा, कौन सा एक्टर, कौन सी एक्ट्रेस, म्यूज़िक लेबल क्या चाहता है, कमर्शियल है या उसको क्या करना चाहिए, इसकी हुक लाइन कैसी, these are the words we get to listen to when we are doing our film work. It is so relieving to do independent music, and I am seeing a surge of independent artists. ना केवल बहुत नए आर्टिस्ट्स भी आ रहे हैं, और जो हमारे एग्जिस्टिंग बिगीज हैं लाइक अमित त्रिवेदी हो या सलीम सुलेमान है, और भी सब. अरिजीत सिंह ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड हिज इंडिपेंडेंट लेबल. सो आई फील सो हैप्पी कि अब धीरे 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 सबका मन ऊब चुका है ना. सो एवरी वन वॉन्ट्स टू डू समथिंग दैट दे वॉन्ट टू क्रिएट एंड फील हैप्पी अबाउट. तो इस मुहिम में मैं भी जुड़ चुकी हूँ एंड आई एम डूइंग इट टू. मीना घोषाल, okay, on the YouTube chat. When can we expect you to sing all your new independent singles from Navo Main Apni Mati Muraliya and Angna More? I have been actually waiting for the live concerts to start full-fledged. वो होगा तो होगा ही सब. All of this is going to happen full-fledged in a live concert feel with all the musicians and the experience, full experience. But I will do one whole singing session for you also then if you want, where I'll be just singing, not talking. बस गाएंगे, है ना? Okay, from Instagram I'm just going to take a few names. Suranjana Roy, please take my name. Suranjana, I love this name, Suranjana. अच्छा नाम है. चलो इसमें भी बहुत सारे चले गए आगे. इशिका, हाउ हम्बल आर यू? अरे इसमें होने की क्या बात है? हम्बल नहीं होंगे तो मतलब इंसान क्या, मतलब व्हाट इज़ द पॉइंट ऑफ बीइंग एरोगेंट, और व्हाट टू बी एरोगेंट अबाउट इन लाइफ? वी आर नथिंग. वी आर ऑल a small speck in the whole universe doing our little bit. अच्छा ठीक है. अब कुछ बचे हैं 5 मिनट. Like the 5 minutes, I don't know how they are gonna go. And while we are almost there, we'll soon listen to the song. And I guess I need to talk about how this video got made. So I think you've seen the teaser and you know how these are these very interesting graphics जो ऊपर से that butterfly thing and some amazing stuff which has happened. तो मैं इसके बारे में थोड़ा कहना चाहूँगी. I had a fabulous team of graphic designers, the whole team of BTOS Productions who took care of this thing, which I was feeling very worried क्योंकि कोविड लॉकडाउन के वक्त मैं घर से निकलने के लिए मुझे थोड़ा सा टेंशन हो रहा था. बट आई थिंक व्हेन यू हैव लिमिटेशंस यू टेंड टू बिकम द मोस्ट क्रिएटिव एंड दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड. दिस वाज माय पार्ट्स वर ऑल डन इंडोर्स बट द पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन वर्क ऑफ इट वाज एब्सोल्युटली फैबुलस. एंड एट दिस मोमेंट आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड कि इसमें जो कोरियोग्राफी है, द 2 dancers who are doing some amazing ballet and some very difficult डांस कोरियोग्राफी, वो करना मतलब इम्पॉसिबल ही है. मैं तो सोच भी नहीं सकती हूँ. दैट एड्स सो मच ब्यूटी. तो इसके लिए एक बहुत बड़ा थैंक्स जाता है शक्ति मोहन को. शक्ति मोहन बहुत ही नामचीन कोरियोग्राफर है और शी हैज़ सो मच फॉलोइंग एंड शी इज़ सो टैलेंटेड एंड शी हैज़ अ स्कूल, her own studio called Nritya Shakti, from where these 2 wonderful dancers joined and did a fabulous job. आप देखेंगे वीडियो तो आपको पता चलेगा. And that apart, there was a lot of 3D rendering, a lot of interesting graphics which have been done by team BTOS. So Nazif जो डायरेक्टर हैं इस पूरे वीडियो को, उनको बहुत सारा प्यार, और पूरी जो टीम है बहुत मेहनत की है इन्होंने. Soumyadeep also features in it, and he's done his shots from California. Of course, he wanted to be here, do this, all of that in the presence of the whole team. But once you see the video, I think you will enjoy it. गाना भी ऐसा है कि उसको थोड़ा अलग ट्रीटमेंट देना बहुत ज़रूरी था. It had to be a very trippy is the right word. Trippy is the right word. It's very trippy. It's very abstract. And इसका मेटाफर जो है बटरफ्लाई है एक, दैट्स द एसेंस, दैट्स द सोल ऑफ द सॉन्ग विच कंटिन्यूज थ्रू द नरेटिव ऑफ द गर्ल्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. सो आप देखोगे तो उसके बाद इसके बारे में हम और भी बात करेंगे व्हेन वी चैट. गाइस, 2 minutes to go. पारस नाथ, थैंक यू, बिग कंग्रेचुलेशंस आप बोल रहे हैं टू द एंटायर टीम. थैंक यू पारस. You are a fabulous musician. Thank you so much. I don't know how many different comments I must have missed because it's very hard to scroll and see everything. But firstly, I'm really, really grateful for all the constant love that you have given to me, for everything that I do. होपफुली जो करती हूँ उसमें कुछ अच्छी चीज़ होती है, इसके लिए आप दे रहे हैं वो प्यार, और कोशिश तो यही है कि मैं कभी आपको डिसअपॉइंट ना करूँ. एंड ओके, ऑन यूट्यूब चैट आई एम गोना टेक a few. Oh, Shraddha Shreya fangirl, I'm depressed. Why are you depressed, Shraddha? I saw you. Please give me a smile and never be depressed. I feel I can help you out a little bit with my music to come out of any kind of sad or sad feelings. A lot of people are asking कि सौम्यदीप लाइव चैट पे आएगा कि नहीं. वो बहुत ही शाई किस्म का लड़का है, तो उसको तो मुझे बहुत फोर्स करना पड़ेगा, बट मैं उसको धीरे धीरे वी विल मेक श्योर दैट ही फील्स अ लिटिल मोर कंफर्टेबल डूइंग ऑल ऑफ दिस. he is very new to all of this, so I guess anyway. Ajay Verma, I'm excited. Yes, Ravina SG, yeah, it's just 2 minutes, rather 1 minute to go, है ना? So wow, this is actually happening. Sunma Akhdar, English song next please. English, चलो ठीक है, वो भी ट्राई करेंगे, वाई नॉट, है ना? ट्राई तो करना चाहिए. आई एम अ लिटिल वेरी ऑफ इट बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक दैट माई स्टाइल इज वेरी एंग्लिसाइज्ड और इट्स वेरी वेस्टर्न, बिकॉज माई ट्रेनिंग हैज़ बीन वेरी वेरी इंडियन. ओ गॉड, ये क्या हो रहा है? Okay, there is a countdown. Like New Year's. I'm glad we're doing this kind of a live countdown for this song. बड़ा मजा आ रहा है, मुझे ही इतना मजा आ रहा है. Yay! Ankita Chakraborty says best of luck. I need it bad. So all your wishes and luck is just adding to my. I'm calming myself with all of that. ओके, अभी तो गाना आने वाला है, सो आर वी रेडी फॉर इट गाइस? ऑलराइट, इट्स टाइम. यू आर वाचिंग इट ना? इट्स नॉट गोना बी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, इट्स गोना बी ऑन यूट्यूब, सो बी देयर. ओके, ऑलराइट. धक 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 धक. ऑलराइट, इट इज 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Is it playing? Are you watching? I'm watching.
सजन
कैसा लगा? God, it's there. It's out there. It's out there. Okay. Wow. I don't know why I'm so nervous. इतने गाने तो गाती रहती हूँ मैं, but इस गाने से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ही excitement और पता नहीं कुछ अलग सा है ना. So I was very nervous about it. I don't know how you like it. You know, it's a different combination where I get to do gaiki and classical of music, but also has this amazing young band of musicians who support this whole idea and make it so cool. तो इसको कितना cool बना दिया है इन्होंने. तो पहला तो सबसे पहला thanks to you guys for joining me today and listening to it. And you know that आपको पता नहीं, मैं I wish I could show you how much of the क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर. This I wish I could show you. This chat is just going berserk right now. It's just going non-stop. ठीक है. Calm down guys, and I am also calm. And now you take your time. Go watch the song. इसका जो अंतरा है वो गाती हूँ क्योंकि अभी तक वो अंतरा रिलीज नहीं, किसी ने सुना नहीं था. अब गाना यहाँ पे है, जाके सुनो. राग प्रीत का तुमने सुनाया, सात सुरों में मोहे सजाया, तेरे मोह में से मन भीतर महक रही हूँ. इस पीड़ को समझो पिया, हाँ इस पीड़ को समझो पिया, जिया अपना माने, आओ सजन अंगना मोरे, आओ सजन अंगना मोरे, दिन रैन तुम्हारी याद सताए, आओ सजन. Thank you guys for making this happen, and so much excitement happened because of you. आप लोग ने भी मुझे इतना हाइप करके रखा था ना, कल रात को सो ही नहीं पाई मैं. Thank you for doing this, and please go watch the song and share it with your friends, and let's see. I will now very soon come back on all, on my YouTube live, Instagram live, Twitter, Facebook live बाकी है, वो भी करना है, वो करूँगी सब. तो ढेर सारी बातें और भी है. But thank you so much for being there today with me and sharing this moment. I hope you like Angna More. Give it all your love and attention and pamper this song. Hey Samarth, you've joined. Thank you. You are a part of this team and you've done a fabulous job. God bless you. Thank you. Bye.